pretty much in. I just gotta play around with this a bit.
Yeah, I just gotta check the barbecue.
It's in. It's in.
Let's go.
It's in. We just had to wiggle it in.
Hashtag McLovin.
It's in.
It's in.
It's in.
Hopefully those bolts fit through.
Well, it's in the transmission. We just have to finesse them in. The transmission and this needed to be wiggled in together because our freaking thing couldn't go any further out. Our hoist couldn't go any further out, so we needed to put it further back on the chain, but that meant that the back of the engine is pointing down too much. So we had to push up on the engine while moving the transmission up so the flex plate could go in. It's a whole ordeal, but it's all in finally. Does nothing but control the AC clutch. It might take a little bit to get fuel up, yeah.
You could always prime it a couple times.
Remember when we did that?
Kill it.
Oh, it was I don't know. Sounds like it's gonna be very loud.